Hello friends, today we are going to see C-scan disk scheduling algorithm. It is the modified version of scan algorithm. C-scan means circular scan. In this algorithm, head starts from one end of the disk and move towards the other end, servicing all the requests that is coming in between. After reaching the other end, head will reverses its direction and then returns to the starting end without servicing any request that is coming in between. So the advantages of this algorithm are as follows. It provides uniform waiting time as well as it provides better response time, and the disadvantages of this algorithm are it causes more seek movements as compared to the scan algorithm, and it causes the head to move till the end of the disk even if there are no requests to be serviced. So we are going to see the problem on this disk scheduling algorithm. So consider the disk contains 200 tracks, that is from 0 to 199, and the request queue is given as follows. For the request like 93, 176, 42, 148, 27, 14 and 180, and the current position of the read write head is given as 55. You have to calculate the total number of track movements by read write head using this C-scan algorithm. Okay, so as the head position is given as 55, so the arm can move either to this end, that is towards this 199, or that can move towards this 0. Okay, so firstly what we'll consider, your read write head is moving to the this side towards this 199. So while reaching to this 199, that will service all the requests that is coming in between, that is for 93, 148, 176 and 180. So starting from this head position, firstly that will move till this 93, then that will move towards this 148, then that will move towards this 176, then that will move towards this 180, and finally that will reach to this end, that is till 199. Once that will reach this end, the read write head will change its position in the reverse direction, so that will move in the reverse direction till this 0. So for this what you have to remember, that will move from one end to the another end without servicing the request that is coming in between. So that will move from 199 to 0, but this request will not be serviced. Okay, once that will reach to this another end, that is 0, again that will servicing this request, firstly for 14, after that for 27, and finally for this 42. So in this way you have to solve the problem. So what point you have to remember for this C-scan is what? Once your read write head will move to the one end, that will change its direction and move to the another end, but without servicing the any request that is coming in between. Then how you are going to find out the total track movements? Firstly, see, since all these requests are in one direction, what we can do? We can consider like this: 199 minus 55 plus, then see, from 199 that will move to this 0, no? So that we can consider 199 minus 0 plus, since from 0 to 42 all requests are in one direction, what we can write down? 42 minus 0. The answer for this is 395 385 cylinders. Okay, same problem we are considering. Same problem we will solve. We will consider now. Your read write head will move in this direction instead of this direction. Okay, so whenever this disk arm want to move till this one end, that is 0, that will firstly service this request 42 27 14, and that will reach to 0. Okay, so starting from this 55, that will move till 42, then to 27, then till 14, and finally that will move till this 0. Once that will reach to this one end, the disk arm will move in the another direction, that is reverse direction, and move towards this 99. But what you have to remember, without servicing any request that is coming in between, that is for 93, 148, 176 and 180. Once that will reach this end, that will service all the requests that is coming in between. So firstly that will service this 180, then 176, 148, finally for this 93. Okay, then how you are going to find out total track movements? The total track movements you can find out in this way. Firstly, arm move from this 55 to 0. Since all these requests are in one direction, what we can consider? 55 minus 0 plus, after this that move towards this 199. Okay, so what you have to consider? 199 minus 0 plus, from this 199 that will move till this 93. So 199 minus 93. So the answer for this you will get 360 cylinders. So in this way you have to find out this total track movements using the C-scan algorithm. Thank you.